Now we're looking at another 2012 Peterbilt 348, stock number 121269. It's got a Paccar PX8 330 horsepower engine in it, Allison transmission with the 6-speed automatic transmission in it. Sit back so you can get a better look at it. It's got power steering, air brakes, air conditioning, cruise control, AM, FM radio. It's got tilt wheel, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, a mirror heat, block heater, engine brake, power divider, differential lock. A 160-gallon aluminum fuel tank located on the driver's side. 12R 22.5 front tires on aluminum buds at 30%. 11R 22.5 tires in the rear at 70%. 54,600 GVW. It's got 4-bag air ride suspension with a rear axle of 5.57 rear ratio. Let's take a look inside the cab. Got an in-cab ticket printer here. The other side here you can see the automatic transmission buttons, radio, air conditioning. And your fuel tank. Got a storage compartment on the driver's side. Mounted on this truck we have a 2011 Polar 4,500 gallon 4-compartment aluminum tank. Compartment sizes are 1,300, 1,200, 1,000, and 1,000. It's got two 2.5-inch Blackmer pumps on it. Take a look inside here. We have an LCM-1 or LCM-7-1 meters, LCR2 registers with auto stops, 2 Hannay electric hose reels with 130 feet of 1-inch hose and auto shut-off nozzles, 1 2-inch outlet on the right meter. It's got air-operated internal valves. See the nozzles in here. Your ground wire. Alright. It's got a vapor recovery right here on the passenger side. And on the front here we also have the 6-inch Civacon load heads, Civacon ROM 2 overfill protection manifold with butterfly valves. It's got a 3-inch drop from the manifold. Hose trays on the right side, which you can see here. And under here, past the air compressor tanks, is the pump. So if you have any questions about this 2012 Peterbilt 348, stock number 121269, please give us a call at 865-524-5678 or check out our website at petroleumtrucks.net.